Hi friends, welcome to English Lighthouse. In this video, we'll learn essential Holi vocabulary to celebrate the festival of colors with joy and confidence. Let's dive in. Holi, meaning the festival of colors. Example, Holi is celebrated with great joy in India. Colors, meaning vibrant powders used during Holi. Example, we play with colors during Holi. Gulal, meaning colored powder used in Holi. Example, she threw gulal on her friends. Pichkari, meaning a water gun used to spray colored water. Example, kids love playing with pichkaris. Water balloons, meaning balloons filled with water, thrown for fun. Example, we filled water balloons for Holi. Holika Dahan, meaning the bonfire lit on the eve of Holi. Example, Holika Dahan symbolized the victory of good over evil. Festival, meaning a celebration or special event. Example, Holi is my favorite festival. Dance, meaning moving rhythmically to music. Example, everyone danced during the Holi celebration. Music, meaning sounds played for enjoyment. Example, we played traditional music during Holi. Sweets, meaning delicious treats eaten during festivals. Example, gujiya is a popular Holi sweet. Gujiya, meaning a sweet dumpling filled with khoya and dry fruits. Example, my mom made gujiyas for Holi. Thandai, meaning a refreshing drink made with milk, nuts, and spices. Example, we enjoyed a glass of thandai during Holi. Celebration, meaning a joyful event or party. Example, Holi is a time for celebration and fun. Bonfire, meaning a large outdoor fire like Holika Dahan. Example, we gathered around the bonfire for Holika Dahan. Tradition, meaning a custom or practice passed down through generations. Example, playing with colors is a Holi tradition. Joy, meaning a feeling of great happiness. Example, Holi brings joy to everyone. Friends, meaning people you like and spend time with. Example, I celebrated Holi with my friends. Family, meaning a group of related people. Example, we celebrated Holi with our family. Water, meaning a liquid used to play and mix colors. Example, we sprayed water on each other during Holi. Happiness, meaning a feeling of pleasure and contentment. Example, Holi is a festival of happiness and love.